you see, it's not look too good. So let's try to replace it. I have one aftermarket. I don't know it will fit or not. I just get it for free, and I will try to replace it. It's not looks to be more complicated, especially because somebody take out these bolts earlier, but not take them too, and from the bottom is looks similar, so I don't know if they don't wanna came out or it's a different story. So it can be easy fix or more complicated if these bolts will rip out, snap out, or something similar. From what I remember, this is T30 or T27. Let's check it. And bigger problem, I have no such a bolt. Maybe I have somewhere one or two, but I don't know. A bigger problem I expect with pulling wires for this aftermarket parking sensors, but okay, let's try it. First, found the tools. Like usual, you have probably everything, but when you need it, it's not present. This will be too small. This is for Toyota. Not here. Oh, we have used this small one. Okay, it's loose. This one. This one not. Okay, but gone. Okay. This is how I expect. This is aftermarket shit. So how to I had to block it. How to pull out these wires. Okay, what I wanna do, I wanna disconnect one of these connectors, one or all, I don't know, tied to this wire, and try to pull out through this hole. I rip something. Oh Jesus, what I rip. Nice. We will check later on. Because I have everything taken out, I will wanna clean it and paint it, make it nicer. Not the best, because I not clean perfectly, but it's much better than it was, and without rust, etc. So means better. Okay, let's it dry, and in the meantime I start thinking about this wiring. What we have today we can call proper summer. Okay, let's it dry, and right now I have to I rip something. It's never too easy. Never too easy. Oh, means I rip too. It's not good. Not good at all. Huh. It was power. So I rip too. I suppose it's connected. Power, but where is... I know. This wire going to the this buzzer. And this is to power from, probably it will be from your light. Okay. Okay, here we have a piece of bumper. Something aftermarket. I don't suppose so it's last long, but for sure it's better than this broken one. Why is wet? I don't know. Who knows? Inside is a places marking place marks where it should be, like a factory sensors. Here also is such a marks, but I don't think so. It's for a sensor, or just like from the mode. But then I use these places. I don't want to measure and marking. Who knows? Maybe it will be better to mark. Okay, it's not the highest class engineering, but I use the hot melting glue to attach this. They fitting somehow, except this first one, but anyway. Not the best solution. Okay, so we have bolts on the top, bank 4. I have 2 of them, and the bolts from the bottom is 4 of them. And it's here, and here. Maybe these brackets I have to bend a little bit, maybe not. From the bottom I can use any bolts with washer, so it's not a big deal. So I will try to find 2 extra bolts, and let's start to fit it. Later on I will pull this wire. I forget about this power wire and rip it out. Oh, it's attached somewhere here behind the... So right now we have problem. Don't have to be, but is. The sensor is too deep. If I will know, I will not fit them. If I will know, so I have not enough space for these sensors, I will just don't fit them. But right now I have. So let's say it's a kind of fail. I need one bolt here and two bolts on the sides, but it's a kind of fail. Next time I should measure if it's all same size. Something is wrong. I thought it's a deep. This old one was deeper. It cannot be deeper because it's matching with here. I know what's happened. I know what's happened. This is special holes for this sensor in this metal bumper. Okay, we have to remove it and make extra hole. Just so it means I drill these holes in this plastic in place. It was markings, but it was wrong markings. It means, like I suppose, it was only from the mold. Okay, take out. Okay, so just put it in the grinder and all is rusty. More rusty. is not connected here. Here is connected only reversing camera, from what I see. Yes. And this is going somewhere up. I have to check where. My mistake, it was connecting there. I don't know how come, but this black ground just going to the chassis, so I will connect to it here. Yes, it should be replaced by proper connectors, but not today. So I will solder together, insulate, and connect this red one here. So ready. Oh, it's simple job, and I suppose I will finish it in half an hour, but this half an hour came in 3 hours just because of strange things. Everything what left, this is this one bolt and this mess on the street. I have to clean it. Thank you for watching such a video. Please remember to subscribe, comment and like it. Thank you.